Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you're all keeping very safe and well. Today's just going to be a short little video. I just wanted to give you a little tip on how to rejuvenate the sparkle in your crystals when you've had them on for a while. So, you know, things like just working daily life, hand cream, cuticle oil, whilst they're great for your hands and your nails, they can sort of lose your sparkle in your crystals a little bit. So they obviously always still look a little bit sparkly, but it's nice to sort of restore them to their like super sparkle. You know what I mean? That lovely, you know, real bling that you get with crystals. So the way that I do it, you can of course get like a, you know, a soft cloth and gently rub them. That will get a lot of sort of, you know, grime and things off them. But of course, the more you're sort of rubbing backwards and forwards, you know, you're more likely to dislodge one or more of your crystals. So what I like to do is a little trick, and I use isopropyl alcohol. This one I believe is 100%. Yes, it is. It's 100% isopropyl alcohol. I just buy this from my local hardware store. And I get a little dappen dish and just put some alcohol in here. And then I get myself a little cotton bud, Q-tip, cotton tip, whatever you want to call them, and just dip that in there and just give your crystals a little bit of a rub. And you can just see, well, hopefully the camera picks up how much that just restores the sparkle in your crystals. So on this hand, you can of course use a lint-free wipe for this. I just don't tend to, because you know, when you're using your alcohol, you're going to dehydrate your skin as well. So hopefully you can see the difference. I've done my left hand here and not my right, and I'm kind of hoping that the camera's picking up the difference in the sparkle with the nails. You could also use your cleanser, whatever cleanser you use for whatever system gel polish you use. You could also use acetone. I don't use acetone personally, but that's because all the products I use are soak-off products. So I have a soak-off builder gel system, I have gel polish which is also soak-off, and I adhere my crystals using that soak-off builder gel. So I don't personally use acetone, but you certainly could, and given the amount that you're using, it's probably not going to cause you any damage. But anyway, I find isopropyl alcohol does the trick beautifully. So hope that tip helps. Hope you're all well, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.